Hey, good morning, guys. Hey, so instead of sending a an email today for all the students who haven't met their weekly goal, I'm not going to do that this Friday. But Holland wanted to say hi. You say hi?
Hi.
Yeah. All right. So I think by now you probably have heard that we are done on May 15th. So I just wanted to comment on that a little bit and talk about grades. So, first of all, if you make it through at least, let me think about this, at least 9.6. If you make it through at least 9 point, no, let's say if you make it through at least 9.4 by May 15th, I'll raise your grade a little bit. Okay. And if you make it all the way through unit 9, then I'll raise your grade
I want
a
to
little,
get
I'll
out.
raise your grade more. Okay. Um,
I want to
okay. And then the kids that finished all the way through unit 10, I'll raise your grade the most out of anybody. So unit 10, we're only doing 4 lessons in unit 10. Um, Yeah. So 9.5, you get a little bit of a bump. End of unit 9, you get a big bump. And then unit 10, you get a huge bump. Okay. So that's kind of how I'm going to approach grades for quarter four. Um, and that's just kind of dependent on what it takes to get through those. So if you're doing one lesson a week, then you're going to, you know, get at least a 9.5, right? For those of you that have been doing more than that, I want to honor your time and effort that you've put in. So that's why I'll bump it a little bit more. So in terms of May 15th, we're just going to keep going like we're going. Okay. Try to do one lesson a week. Try to get through unit 5 or through 9.5 at the very least, or get all the way through unit 9 if you can, or get all the way through unit 10 if you're already ahead of the game. Other than that, guys, like I would like to do starting next week, I would like to do a whole class Google Hangout at some point, probably on Wednesday. So I'll send out communication for that on Monday, and then whoever can make it on Wednesday, you can. And that's not so much of like a math class or anything. It's just like let's check in and chat for a little bit all together. And then the final week, which would be the week of May 15th, we'll do it again just to give everybody an opportunity to come and say bye and whatever. Okay. So those are Google Hangouts. I'll get that set up. Other than that, guys, if you did not finish your weekly goal for the week, you should work today to get that done so that you can hopefully get those grade bumps for the fourth quarter. Um, and I think that's all the information. Oh, for the algebra kids, just try to make it through Unit 10. Okay. So, and actually, for the algebra kids, I decided I'm not going to post anything for Unit 11. If you're already done with for Unit 10, then you're done. Okay. I'll I've posted like one lesson for Unit 11. I think I'm just going to keep it at that. I don't think it's necessary for us to go through it. So just try to make it through Unit 10 over the next 2 weeks for the algebra kids. All right, guys, miss you. Hope you're doing well. Work today if you didn't do your goal yet. Other than that, have a good Friday and long weekend. Enjoy the nice weather outside.